Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And let me ask you a question. Have you been stuck with getting better with affiliate marketing? Do you feel like there's too much information overload? Well, stop. Wait a second. I'm going to share my screen and we're going to go over the affiliate marketing essentials. Hey guys, welcome to the channel again and thank you for being here. I'm very excited to share with you the affiliate marketing essentials. As I said initially, this is a video if you're stuck, if you're overwhelmed, there's too much information out there. What do I do? People are talking about side hustles. What is actually a side hustle? Guys, you've seen a lot of videos that are out there of people making money with surveys and other things, and you can go and get a job here and your job here, but those are side hustles with jobs. You're exchanging your time for money. Unfortunately, those kind of videos have made a really bad name for themselves, in my opinion, within the space. So I wanted to cover today, if you're stuck, if you're overwhelmed with all this information. First and foremost, what I do as a side hustle, I do have a full-time job. I work full time, but I do this on the side when I can. And it is basically to put a little bit extra income into my pocket. But at the end of the day, it is also very consistent and predictable. So why and what do I use? Simply put, I use affiliate marketing, guys. Affiliate marketing with digital products in the wealth space. That is the niche that I'm focused on. I don't focus on health. I don't focus on other things. I focus on wealth. But I know a lot of other people, you can do this with health or dating or any kind of thing that actually makes sense for you. But for me personally, I wanted to focus on the wealth niche, and that's how I use affiliate marketing. Why? I do that specifically because I can make 50% to 75% or even more, sometimes 100% commissions within this space, from low ticket offers to high ticket offers, which is basically from lower commissions to, let's say, a small $7 commission to a higher 500, $1,500 commission. Obviously, that ranges, right? But when you have a flow of these kind of high margin, you're not dependent on one stream, and it's also a higher reward for you at the end of the day for putting in the work and the effort. So this is why I look at digital affiliate marketing. Let me just put it that way. How is this different from the traditional affiliate marketing? Well, if you take Amazon, for example, you're getting a 3% commission on a physical product that you're sending. You're putting a lot of work and effort, but maybe you're getting just $10 from those purchases. Now, don't get me wrong, over time that can become something that's very foundational for you, but it does take a longer time. I'm kind of shortening the time span by using digital products. Hope that makes sense. And I use the essentials, in my opinion, of affiliate marketing. Now, these are essential skill sets. Let me just be crystal clear with you guys. These are essential skill sets. But by the way, guys, before I get started and before I go ahead and share with you my exact strategy, what I'm doing to make $500 to $1,000 every single month, and that is not guaranteed for you. But before I go ahead and share all of this, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified for future videos. On a Monday, I talk about step 1, which is a cash flow generating step. And then on Wednesdays and Friday, I talk about step 2, which is basically the automation and the strategy itself. So today we're talking about the strategy. Now, the entire course of Affiliate Marketing Essentials, which is the course that I created, link in the description of this video in case you're interested, is based on skills. It's not based on a single product or service. You can use the information that's there within affiliate marketing affiliate marketing essentials to be able to apply it to any offer. I am not somebody who's limiting. It's literally skills. It's education for you. And I've done affiliate marketing for a long time now, and overall, with all this time I've spent, all I need are 2 skills. One is advertising, and the second one is copywriting. Why do I say this? Because advertising is the machine that keeps the ball rolling. I need eyeballs. I need people to see my offer or service, whatever I'm providing. Anybody needs that, right? And 2, copywriting helps with those conversions of it. That is the 2 skill sets that I focus on. So I know that I can have control, let me put it this way, control over my income, control over my success by just focusing on these 2 skill sets. Doesn't matter what product, doesn't matter what service. And just to show you guys some proof, these are my results. Just want to say it up front. These are my results. It doesn't mean that you're going to get the same results. I'm sharing with you the skill sets. You have to put into practice the skill sets, and then it can get you these results, or even better, or even worse. It really doesn't matter what, as long as you're learning it, and then you can improve it. If, for example, you're getting better results, most probably are good in your conversions. If you're getting bad results with it, then you're not. So these results that I'm going to be sharing are not guaranteed. That's all I wanted to say. I have all my disclosures and disclaimers in the description. But this is, for example, a year to date, you can see it's $600.21 already earned. Last year, for example, I earned $2,918, as you can see right here. And all-time earnings, just following the strategy, I don't follow any other strategy, by the way, is for 4,000. This is on and off because I was doing with this platform and I was not using, but now I primarily use Warrior Plus. So you can see it's over $4,000 just earned this way. Very focused on this exact strategy. And again, this exact strategy can be found in the description of this video. Just click on the first link and you will be able to get it there. Now, why do I talk about it as essentials? As I said, guys, we're focused. If you're stuck, you're overwhelmed. For a second, I want you to take away all the noise that's there and just focus on the screen right now. If you're focusing on the screen right now, you see two specific things: advertising and copywriting, or as we say in affiliate marketing, traffic and conversions. In any kind of marketing, traffic is important because that's the driving element. If I don't have advertising, I don't have traffic, I don't have eyeballs, I cannot get any conversions. Doesn't matter if I am the best copywriter in the world. It doesn't matter if I have the best product in the world. It doesn't matter what, it doesn't matter. I need people to see that. So advertising is super, super important. Now, the skill sets with advertising are so vast and a variety of things, and it also includes a bit of copywriting in it. So they go hand in hand with each other. For example, if you're using free advertising, you are learning how to what's the best source that you want for yourself with free. Where's your audience at? This is a skill set first to do your market research. Then you are thinking about advertising in terms of making videos, posts. What is it that you're doing to advertise free? So nowadays you're using short form videos. That is the key element that people are using, right? So are your videos entertaining, engaging? Are they grabbing people's attention? Are they giving a message? Are they sharing your personality? These are all skill sets related to advertising itself because it's in the advertising realm. And you know, there are thousands of companies that exist with just advertising as a skill set. So it is something that can be learned, whether it's free or paid, for life. Paid advertising, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, all of these, you need to understand the data points and have the right customer journey or customer flow. This in itself also is a skill set. So advertising as a whole is a skill set, whether it's free or paid. Copywriting helps that advertising platform to convert better. Just think about it this way. I'm advertising, but what do I advertise about? My copywriting is going to help me with my advertising message. I have a platform to advertise. Copywriting is a skill that's going to help me with my advertising message. So even though your main driving energy levels, focus that you're going through with life is, sorry, with your affiliate marketing journey is related to advertising, copywriting is something that gives you the right potential to convert and get sales. If you understand these two logic, simply put, as I'm explaining it, you will be able to then scale up your business because you start with an advertising source, you use copywriting to get some conversions, and then you improve it, improve it, improve it. So all you have to focus on is just the conversion improvement. Maybe let's say you have the same level of traffic always. Let's say you have 10,000 clicks every single month. You can go from a 5% conversion rate to a 10% conversion rate with always 10,000 clicks per month. And what are you getting right now? Now you're improving your income potential because you're improving your conversion rate. So this is what we look at, knowing the maximum conversion rate and then improving that, because the main focus when we do that is in the skill set is that is giving you a higher income potential. Now, this is in whatever you do in life, whether you want to make more product sales, whether you want to make a launch. These are the two skill sets that's needed in everything related to marketing. I know it can take different shape and form, and you might have a lot of noise out there, a lot of information that's there, but at the end of the day, these are the two fundamental skill sets. So within Affiliate Marketing Essentials, we talk about that. I show you how I'm personally getting a predictable income. This is myself. Again, I will not guarantee that you can get it. That doesn't mean that's not the case, but I show you exactly what I'm doing, and you can follow along, get the support in my group and everything else. I just wanted to share this. This is, in my opinion, the best way, and I want to go into educating more people about these two skill sets along my journey. It's my passion, and I'm here to help with all the questions that you have. Let me know in the comment section below. If you have any other information that you need to provide, also in the comment section below. And guys, otherwise, I'm going to see you in Affiliate Marketing Essentials. I look forward to working with you.